Alright, Super X the 808, and we are doing.
Put it on.
That doesn't, bro. That doesn't fit me. Anyways, we're doing some Nerf war. I have never done something like this before, so let's see how this goes. And CJ PLAYZ, check his channel out.
21.
And yeah, and I'll leave his channel in the description. And I'm the bad guy, and he's the good guy. He's basically the cop.
Yeah.
And let me just put my mask on and see if this thing fits me at all.
It'll make you look more gangster.
Nope, this does not fit me. Yo, look at that. Yo, look at this. I can barely even bend my arms. Yo, it's stuck.
No.
Yo, I can't even. Oh, yo, help me. Bro.
Yo, oh my God.
Yo. Ah! There you go. Alright.
Oh, shoot. CJ's in this.
Alright. I'm gonna put this mask on.
So, show him the
So,
guns.
this is my mask.
Show him the guns. I got the Fire Strike Elite.
And mine is
Show
the Flip Fury.
Yeah, and I got the light.
Oh, you can barely see that. Hold up. Give it some more light. Flip Fury. You could probably see that. Whatever. Alright.
So,
Alright.
first scene.
This is where the war comes in here. And yeah. You ready?
Let's get.
I'm not used
go
to
over there,
this.
go over there, go over there. Ready? So, guys, I want me to tell them the scene.
What?
Want me to tell them the scene, or just let them see it?
Just, yeah. I don't really care.
Go to your spot, go to your spot.
Alright.
So when I go like this, you shoot.
Alright. No, hold up.
Yeah.
We have grenades, tell them.
Alright,
We have one grenade. I don't know if you can hear me because of this mask.
We have one grenade.
Alright, here. This is the grenade. I got mine. Alright, let's go.
Ready? Tell me when you're at your spot.
Yep, I'm ready.
Alright.
1, 2.
Wait, no, not yet. Remember, you have to hide. And once you see that light, you miss though. Alright, go back.
3, 2, 1.
Oh snap!
Oh shoot! That hit me. Yeah, I missed.
Dude, I don't have bullet on it.
Where's this guy's bullet? Oh snap!
Reload.
What the heck? Oh shoot! That almost hit me. Oh! I gotta get out of here! Oh!
Oh no, my last bullet.
Gotta collect!
Alright, hands up, drop the weapon. Drop the weapon.
Right! Oh!
Yo, why don't these bullets work? Bruh.
Here. gonna step forward a bit so they can see what's going on. Alright, so I have a machete and I have a.
That's a cleaver.
Cleaver, whatever. I don't know. Watch out, please.
Dude, I'm shaking. Bad. Put the gun down.
Oh! You almost hit the.
No. Put the gun down.
Oh no! Ah! Ah! No!
Did you just lose your grenade?
No.
Dude, I
Two.
almost caught that.
Ah! You shot me on the leg! Oh shoot! Ah!
Alright, you're dead.
I'm dead.
Alright, put your striker on that baseball.
Oh!
Should have never done that.
You were actually throwing that. No!
Yeah, that thing that's barely has any bullets.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
You're lucky. How do you flip it? Oh.
I see. Ah!
Be happy. I wouldn't move it. I wouldn't move so far, would you?
Get away some bullets! Oh shoot.
No, I have one. It's on your forehead.
You wouldn't. Oh shoot.
Stand up. Give me that. Why did I shoot that?
Yo, that almost hit you in the head.
Bro, that skinned me.
Alright. Yo, how many minutes was this? 8 minutes? I felt like 4 minutes. Ah!
Bad guy.
You know what? Shoot.
That's not even do damage.
Bro, you shot me in the.
Bullets down.
Alright. Alright, sweetheart.
Bullets
Alright.
down. Turn around.
Yo,
Knees on
my
the
mask off is there. I mean, my mask is off too.
On the wall.
Alright.
On the wall.
Put up. Alright, let me. You know what? Screw that.
On the wall. On the wall. On the wall. On the wall.
You know what, homie? Get a machete. I mean, whatever you
And
call
I got
it.
a gun and I have your head on target.
I guess I lost. He caught me. Just shoot me in the head. What? You made a big mistake. Oh!
Who made the mistake? Who made the mistake of giving me this gun?
Wait. Alright. You did not, homie! Oh, fuck. No! Oh, shoot, I surrendered.
I was in the army for 4 years.
Yo, you better not throw that.
On the wall.
Alright.
On the wall.
Let me just change the angle again.
On the wall.
I can't.
On the wall.
Ah!
I want to come over here.
Alright, guys, are we done?
Wait, one
You
more thing.
shanked my head like 3 times.
They're so scared of me. Got him.
How you scared me, but anyways. Super Exit 808 and
Did you play 21?
and it was a pleasure doing business with you.
Really?
You killed me like 3 times. So I tried to use this, but it didn't work.
Yeah, because I had bullets.
Because the mystery box was over there. So that didn't work. Anyways,
We'll post another video on air hockey.
you want to do it today?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Alright,
Let's do as much as possible today.
the hockey might come tomorrow. I mean,
Maybe.
next week.
Maybe.
This church it wasn't even on.
For real?
Yeah. Anyways, like, subscribe, and peace.